Hi friends, today we will solve one very interesting question. The question is, grass in lawn grows equally thick and in a uniform rate. It takes 24 days for 70 cows and 60 for 30 cows. How many cows can eat away the same in 96 days? So at first, to coming in this question, you must also learn the work and time. Okay, M1 T1 W1 is equal to M2 T2 W2 upon W1. This is not here, but this question cannot be solved by this method. Why? Because here he has given us two equations. The first equation, it takes 24 days for 70 cows and 60 for 30 cows. Now he is asking about this. So there are, according to this theory, it takes 24 days. This is the cows and this is the days and this is the work. So total number of cows are 24, 70 cow, and total number of days 24 days, and they have worked 1. They have completed the field. Now there are total number of 60 days, and 30 cow complete 1 work. Now he is asking how many cow can eat away the same in 96 days. 96 day and how many cow? Okay, number of cows and complete 1 work. So this time you have 3 equation. Okay, by the help of this two equation you have to solve it. So by the method of this you cannot solve. So here the logic is, the grass is increasing uniform rate. So let initially X grass was present, because daily the grass is increasing. Okay, you have to think, and it increases by Y grass per day. Okay, that is the logic. So in this condition, your, you know that M1 T1 upon W1 means 1. Okay, M1 T1 means this is 70. In place of M1 I am writing cow. Okay, and in place of T I am writing D. So here you will write C1 W1 C1 and D1 upon W1. So 70 into T1. T1 means D1, 24 upon 1. Okay, that is equal to 30 into 60 upon 1. That is not equal, we know that. So by the help of this method it cannot solve, but the logic we will use. So initially there was total number of X grass, then per day the grass is increasing. So in 24 days, if per day the grass is increasing Y, so in 24 days the grass will increase 24 into Y, and that will be equal to this 1 work means total field means 70 into 24. So this logic we will use here, 70 into 24. This is the equation number first. Similarly, for this second condition, initially there was total number of X grass, then plus in 60 days the grass has also increased. If in the grass is increasing Y per day, so in 60 days the grass will increase 60 into Y, and that will be equal to 30 into 60. That will be equal to this 30 into 60. So this is the equation number 2. Now you have to solve this equation number first and equation number 2. That is the linear equation. If you will solve, you can directly solve. Okay, let this is 2 minus 1. Okay, 2 minus 1, this minus this minus this, or this minus this, both are same. So this is 0 and this is plus 60 minus 24. 60 minus 24 is equal to 36, is equal to 30 into 60, 30 into 60 minus 70 into 24. If you will solve, to 66 into 10 you can take common, 30 minus 4 into 7, okay, 7 4 28, 28, and this is 2. So this is 6 into 10 into 2, and this is equal to 36y. So y is equal to 6 into 10 into 2 upon 36. That will be 10 upon 3. Now you can find the x. So how to find x? Very simple. So x plus 60. This here we are writing 60. In place of y you will write 10 upon 3 is equal to 30 into 60. 30 into 60. Okay. Now to solve this, 3 2 ja 6. So 10, this is 200 and this is 6 3 18, 1800. So x is equal to 1600. Very simple. Now the last equation we will solve also, the last equation. So x, initially there was x grass, then plus number of days. Okay, you have to find 96 days. So per day the grass is increasing y. So in 96 days the grass will increase this. So that is the total number of work. Total number of work, it will be equal to, this is work, okay, 30 into 60. If there is nothing, then 1 will come here, okay. So that is the work is equal to, and this work it will equal to, and in how many days, okay. So that will be equal to 96 into number of days. Okay. So now, sorry for that. Now in place of x you will write 1600. Okay. So there are some disturbance because I do not have time. So 96 into, some students they asked me this question, so I am solving. I have to go to my office. 96 into number of days. Okay. So now you will solve. Then this is 3 2 ja 6, 3 3 ja 9, 3 2 ja 6. That is 1600 plus 320. That will be and 1920 upon 96 is equal to number of days. 96 to the 192. It means that is 20. Very, very simple. Okay. Very interesting question. If you are not getting, you can see. Okay. So there are some disturbance because we do not have time. Okay, this time. So that will be 1920 upon 96. If you will cut, then you will get 20. That is a very easy question. Okay. I hope you understand. Thank you so much.